Closed captioning for great taste is presented by Manitoba Chicken Producers, your online source for yum.
Happy Saturday night. Welcome to Great Tastes of Manitoba. My name is Des Daniels and we are here tonight with Manitoba Chicken. Gina Sunderland always has delightful things for us to make, and tonight we are going to cook once, eat twice. We're not above doing, a little bit of work, but we would like to get as much mileage out of that as possible. And it's not even that much work anyway. Gina, we're making a couple of recipes tonight. Start us off.
Well, we're gonna start out by showing everyone how to roast a whole chicken to perfection. And then from that leftover chicken, we are gonna make our grilled chicken lime and cheese quesadillas and our chicken and warm potato salad. And then we are going to make our chicken and chickpea salad, a beautiful Mediterranean flavored salad with chickpeas, chicken, cumin, lemon juice, and dates and feta cheese. So we've got that contrasting flavor going on.
And what's really special about that chickpea salad, chicken chickpea salad, is that that's bonus content online. That's where you can find Gina making that special for you. So don't go anywhere. When we come back, cook once, eat twice here on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
Great Tastes of Manitoba. Brought to you in part by Manitoba's farmers and ranchers. Local farms, local foods. Great Taste is produced in cooperation with participating Manitoba commodities. You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba.